Hello and welcome back to the Sweet Leaf Soapery YouTube channel. For those of you who are new around here, my name is Faith Ann Bodiani and I am the owner and soap maker of Sweet Leaf Soapery. So today I'm going to be making Road to Machu Picchu, and this is probably one of my favorite soaps I've ever made. It's the actual cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. This soap has a really nice, clean lily and pear scent to it. It's fabulous. I love it. Everything I talk about along with my Etsy shop will be linked down below. These bars will be available August 1st on my Etsy shop, but I still have fabulous soaps there all the time. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and make Road to Machu Picchu. Okay, so I have my oils. This one is going to be my piping, this is going to be my base, but I'm going to mix them up at the same time because piping takes a long time to set up sometimes. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up my lye and oils for my piping. Okay, I'm just gonna let this be now. And now we're going to do our main batch. All right, so for my colorants, I'm going to add some tropical teal in here. I'm going to add some Enchanted Forest Green in here. And in this container, I'm going to add some Neutral Gray Mica. We're going to try to get this batter pretty gray. If I need to add some activated charcoal and titanium dioxide in here, I definitely will. But I'm going to go ahead and mix these up by hand and see how everything looks. Alright, so I'm going to drop a touch of titanium dioxide into all of these containers. And I'm trying to keep my batter really thin because our fragrance oil is supposed to accelerate today. So today I have Asian Pear and Lily by Nature's Garden Candle. This one smells really nice. I'm super in love with it. So I'm going to mix this in and then I'm going to work quickly because this is supposed to accelerate. And now that I'm stirring it up and I'm more exposed to it, it definitely does have nice strong floral notes, but it's not like grandma floral. It's definitely like a lily fragrance. All right, so I was going to do an in the pot swirl, but that is not in the cards today because this is setting up a little bit. So I'm just going to go with a trusty old drop swirl. And I don't think you can see this, so I'm going to move these out of the way. And I'm going to move these towards the camera. And I feel like I haven't been recording and uploading videos as much as I used to. There's just a lot going on this month. And you know what? I don't really feel up to it. So I think it's important for all of us to just know your limits, know when you need a break. And if I don't get a YouTube video up to my, 60 subscribers, I don't think anyone's going to be terribly upset at me. So the colors I picked out today, I kind of want it to look like the road up to Machu Picchu in Peru. So I picked out some gray for the stones, some blue for the sky, and some green for all of the grass and trees and everything that grows. And I made the absolute cutest embeds. I'm so excited to show you guys. And for the piping, I don't know if I want to do gray or if I want to do green. I don't know. I'm going to give these a good pound it on the ground. I'm going to clean up my table and I will be back when it's time to pipe our soaps. Okay, it's piping time. I was doing soap dishes and wasn't paying attention and it's a little bit thick. Oh no, so we're going to see how this goes. So if table's a little bit messy today, I'm so sorry, but I gotta get this show on the road. Okay, it's actually the perfect piping consistency. I don't know why I was freaking out so bad. I haven't been making as many piped soaps. I've just been in a little shorty bar phase. And I'm gonna be trying my hardest to get these lined up now that I have a multi-bar cutter, and that's all I want to use. I still have my single bar little cheese cutter, but I am in love with my multi-bar cutter. So right now, something that is going on my Instagram, I think it's hilarious. My brother, as a joke, asked me on Instagram when the Chuck E. Cheese inspired soaps are coming out, or being released. And I have no plans on making Chuck E. Cheese inspired soaps, none at all. He just commented that as a little joke or whatever. And as a joke back, I told him if my post got 500 likes and 100 comments, I would make them. And now I have all of his friends, all of his teenage friends, commenting Chuck E. Cheese soap underneath my post, and I think it's hilarious. In my reusable piping bag, I have Enchantment Green colored soap, and I was going back and forth if I wanted the same color as the inside or if I wanted a different green, and I decided on Enchantment Green. And I'm a little bit concerned because my soap is kind of hot right now. My piping is kind of hot. And I'm a little bit scared that my embeds that are so cute are going to melt. So we're going to see. And if they melt, I'm going to be heartbroken because they're so adorable. All right, so I'm just finishing up and I'm putting the last little dollop on top. Okay, I made a tad too much piping, so I'm just going to add a little extra dollop. These are going to be some tall soaps, guys. Wowza. Okay, so the other morning I made a ton of these little llamas. They are so cute. I love them. Let's see, let me flip them this way. And I hand painted each and every one of them. And since this is a Peru soap, I thought it would be so cute to have a little llama climbing up a mountain, up to Machu Picchu. Whatever narrative you want to give this soap, go ahead and do it. But I love these. I think these are so cute. Oh my gosh. And I just want to show you them one by one. I made sure that no two llamas were the same. I know probably nobody cares and nobody's going to notice, but I will know. And that's all that matters. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love these little llamas. Oh my gosh. And I will link the mold that I used down below. I got it from an Etsy seller. Oh my gosh, I just love them. Oh my gosh, I can't stop looking at them. They're so dang cute. All right, I have all of my little llamas in. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. And, oh gosh, I thought I could resist, but I really can't. Blue Enigma Mica going on top. Who would have thunk? And for those of you who are like new to watching this, you know what? I don't even think I have any regular viewers, whatever. For those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about, I use this dang Blue Enigma in my mica sprayer on probably 90% of my soaps. I love it. It's just so cute. And I'm getting low. I bought some more and it got delivered and I got to refill this thing. But I'm going to give this another little spray and then I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Here are my little llamas on their way to the top of the grassy soap mountain. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm just wiping this down with a clean, damp rag that has a little bit of dish soap on it. All right, now that this is all nice and clean, I'm going to cut our llama soaps. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm just going to carefully wiggle these out of the molds. And when you have piped soaps, it's a little bit harder to wiggle them out. And I ordered some new molds from Brambleberry that have a sliding bottom on them. And I'm very excited to get those in the mail. Okay, I'm just going to peel off the liner. Okay, and then I'm going to set it down. And if any of these llamas get chopped up, I'm going to be heartbroken, absolutely heartbroken. So let's see. Okay, we're in the clear. I'm going very slow. Okay, let's go ahead and see what the inside looks like. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I am in love with these. And they smell really nice too. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna set them right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my other loaf on camera while we're here. And someone asked me what I do with these pieces that come off the end. I also cut these up and they turn into samples. Oh my gosh, I super love them. Oh my gosh. All right, round 2. Ooh, I hate getting piped soaps out of these molds. Oof. That one was a lot easier than the last one. I'm gonna quickly clean this up just a little bit with my clean soapy rag. Okay. All right, that looks just about right. And these bars look exactly the same as the other ones. But I just love these little llamas so much. I think they're so dang cute. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps out my channel. Again, if you would like one of these soaps for yourself, all of the travel soaps will be available on my Etsy shop on August 1st at 7 p.m. Mountain Time. Also, if you have any fun soap ideas, please let me know in the comments down below. I want to interact with you guys more. So it could be a theme of a month, it could be just a soap. Let me know, I want to hear it. And with all that being said, I hope you all have a fabulous, wonderful day. I know things have been really wonky lately, and I hope you're all focusing on taking time for yourself and focusing on your own mental health or whatever you feel like you need to do in order to feel safe and healthy in these crazy days. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.